Being able to fix things around the house will solve your problems and make you feel much better about yourself. That's why woodworking is a skill that we should all be familiar with. It comes in handy more often than we care to admit. You won't have to be the person who needs a professional to fix the simple things each time something goes wrong at your home. Some tasks do need professional skills, but there are many things that you can accomplish on your own. You can do a lot with just a few woodworking tools. Even the basic tools such as hammers, saws, and chisels can let you tackle several simple woodworking projects. There are no limitations with regard to woodworking project ideas for you to make either for personal use or for sale. In this video, we will give more than 80 such ideas you can try making as soon as possible. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas for profit, top projects to make and sell in 2023. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Are you passionate about woodworking? Do you want to turn your hobby into a profitable business? Taking up woodworking as a hobby requires a small investment, as you will have to buy some tools and wood. However, it is worth the investment, as it can give you a feeling of satisfaction that money can't buy. It helps clear the mind, improves practical thinking, and makes you feel confident about your skills. Plus, the smell of sawdust is so comforting that you'll soon find yourself addicted to it. This resultant satisfaction and confidence are carried over to your life in general, where you'll feel perfectly content and satisfied. Woodworking has many benefits as a hobby. One of its advantages is that it can help you relax and unwind from a long workday and reduce stress. You can shift your attention from your daily chores to something creative. Woodworking also allows you to express your creative side and broaden your horizons. Since there is a lot of planning and experimentation which goes into each woodworking project, you can visualize your product before it's even started, and that will allow you to express your internal feeling. In a given woodworking project, you will be turning pieces of wood into something useful and functional for years to come. This will give you a tremendous amount of satisfaction, since you are creating something useful that will last a long time. Another obvious advantage of woodworking is its ability to generate you extra income. You can make high-quality items which you can sell to make money. There are several enthusiasts worldwide who make a living by selling their woodworking projects. The good thing about this is that as you get experience, you will develop techniques and tricks which will enable you make products within a short period of time and on budget. This in turn will maximize your profit and make your woodworking venture even more enjoyable. Did you know there are also health benefits associated with woodworking? When carving wood, you will be using different tools, and this will give you an equivalent physical exercise as going to the gym and working out. Tackling these different projects also keeps your brain active and may prevent cognitive decline. Studies have shown that woodworking can boost mood and mental sharpness. Doing activities that we enjoy causes our brains to release serotonin, which improves mood. So next time you feel stressed out, try creating something out of wood and you will get your mood restored. In addition, during woodworking you will be utilizing your math and communication skills, which could further reduce anxiety and stress. As you exercise woodworking, you are also improving your cardiovascular health. Since this will be a gradual process, it will be less boring to you and you are taking care of your daily exercise routine without you even knowing it. Why not give woodworking a go and turn your passion into profit and see where it takes you? Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project ideas for profit, top projects to make and sell in 2023. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.